In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your GoDaddy website after it has been published, bringing you a full tutorial that covers everything you need to know. So, whether you're looking to update some content, tweak the design, or make sure everything is just right, this guide is for you. First, let's start by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the GoDaddy URL, or simply search for GoDaddy using your favorite search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to begin accessing your account. Next, you'll enter your GoDaddy account credentials. This will be your email address or username and password associated with your account. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, make sure to have your device handy to approve the login. Once you're securely logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all your products and websites. Take a moment to locate the particular website you need to edit. If you have multiple projects under your account, make sure to select the correct one to avoid confusion later on. After selecting the website you wish to work on, you'll find an option labeled Edit Website. Click on this to enter the website editor interface. Now you're in the main editing space, where you can make all the necessary changes to improve or update your site. Take a look around to familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. You'll notice different sections corresponding to the various parts of your website, like text, images, and videos. Navigate to the specific page you want to edit by selecting it from the provided menu. Once you've reached the desired page, you can start making changes. Click on any section of the website that you wish to modify. This could include text blocks, images, buttons, or video elements. When editing, keep an eye out for options that allow you to adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to better fit your vision for the site. As you're making these updates, it's wise to utilize the preview feature. Clicking on preview will show you how your site will look live, allowing you to double check your changes before making them public. Spend some time here clicking through the pages and ensuring everything appears as intended. Once you're satisfied and confident with your edits, it's time to make these changes visible to your audience by clicking the publish button. By doing so, all the modifications you've made will go live. And there you have it, a refreshed website ready for your visitors to explore. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.